guys, welcome to my small YouTube channel, and I want to share you guys about how to make a DIY fill out DS-160 for US tourist visas. So let's get started! Hi guys, punta kayo sa Google Chrome at saka i-search niyo yung https://ceac.state.gov/GENNIV/ at saka pindutin niyo yung search button. At mapupunta kayo directly sa US Department of State Consular Electronic Application Center. Dito, yung 3 dots na ito, pindutin nyo at saka pindutin nyo rin yung the stop sign para mabilis sa inyo ang pag-fill out. Zoom in lang tayo. Tsaka piliin nyo yung Philippines, Manila. Letter P. Enter nyo lang yung code. Enter nyo lang yung code. XH UDW6 XHUDW6. Tapos click niyo yung sa baba yung start an application. Ito. Wait lang tayo guys kasi nila yung signal. Scroll down na kayo at saka pindutin nyo sa ilalim yung I agree. At saka guys, take note lang yung application ID nyo na number ito, which is very important talaga ito. Kaya kung hanggang maaari isulat nyo or di kaya screenshot nyo. Kagaya ito. Tapos zoom out lang tayo. Sa baba, pumili tayo ng security question. Halimbawa ito, what is the given name of your mother's mother? Halimbawa lang to. For example, Marie. At saka hit nyo lang yung continue. Wait lang tayo kasi may naiulit dito sa bahay. Una is personal information. Yung apelyido nyo, surname, for example, De La Cruz. Given name, Maria. Full name in alphabet, does that apply? Have you ever used other names? No. Do you have a telecode that represents your name? No. Sex. Female. Marital status. Pumili lang kayo dito ng appropriate. Sa akin, single. Date and place of birth. Yung date, halimbawa, 4 January 1995. City, Iloilo. State or province, Iloilo. Country, Philippines. Letter B. Tapos, punta agad tayo sa button sa ibaba. Next. Click lang yan. Personal information to country or region of origin. Philippines. Letter B. Letter B, Philippines. Do you hold or have you held any nationality other than one indicated above? A nationality, of course, no. Are you a permanent resident of a country or region other than your country or region of origin? No. National identification number. Click. Does not apply. U.S. Social Security number. Click. Does not apply. U.S. taxpayer ID number. Does not apply. Click next. Travel. Travel information. Purpose of trip to the US, select nyo lang. For tourist visa is tourist visa, temporary, business pleasure, visitor B. Specify natin yung dito, tourist visa, kasi magpasya lang tayo sa US. At saka next question, have you made specific travel plans? Halimbawa, wala. So, click no. Yung intended date of arrival, halimbawa lang to, for example, 10, una yung date, tsaka yung month, for example, June 10, 2024. At intended length of stay sa US, for example, 14 days. Halimbawa lang, 14 days. Person or entity paying for your trip. Address where you will stay, for example. Pwede yun yung ilagay yung hotel na tutulo yan nyo, or kung meron kayong kakilala na friend or meron kayong pamilya doon, ilagay nyo yung kanilang address dito. For example, street address line 1212 Sesame Street. Yung street address line number 2, optional lang naman to, kaya huwag nyo lang fill-upan to. City. Hello, Motherhood. Berlin. Yung state is Illinois. At yung zip code, for example, is 60602. Person or entity paying for trip. Kung ikaw yung sponsor sa sarili nyo, click nyo lang yung self, or if meron kayong kakilala doon na mag-sponsor sa iyo, pwede rin yung i-click yung other person.
I miss you, Mama. Ilunas mo kay Mama yan.
Person or entity paying for trip, for example, you can click her, other person, if merong taong mag-sponsor sa iyo. Halimbawa, may family kayo doon, may sister kayo, may cousin kayo, or kung meron kayong friend doon, pwede nyo click dito other person. Pero pag halimbawa, ikaw lang naman yung mag-sponsor sa'yo at kaya mo, you can click self dito. Sa akin, i-click ko dito other person. Halimbawa lang, surnames of person paying for trip. For example, may kapatid ako doon. yung kanyang surname, De La Cruz. Given name is Maria. Telephone number, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Email address, for example, Maria De La Cruz at gmail.com. Tapos, yung relationship ni Maria sa akin. For example, kapatid ko siya, so, or, dito, i-click ko lang yung other dito. Kasi wala naman ditong sister. Kaya click ko yung other. Tapos, is the address of the party paying further the same as your home or mailing address? No. Of course, hindi.
Type Nino Lang Ang address of sponsor Nino example 1212 Sesame Street.
On street address line to leave blank Lang Po.
City Berwyn. State or province Illinois. Postal zone or zip code 60602. Country or region United States of America.
Click Next Travel Companions.
Next, travel companion information. Persons traveling with you, are there other persons traveling with you? If yes, you click yes. Tapos, are you traveling as part of a group or organization? If yes, you can click yes. If no, you can click no. So, halimbawa, ilagay nyo dito yung makakasama nyo. For example, ang kanyang last name, yung given name niya, at saka yung relationship niya sa'yo. Tapos, add another if meron pa kayong kasamang iba. Pero, pag hindi naman, for example, halimbawa dito, sa akin na part, are there other person traveling with you? Wala. So, I click no her. And then, we go to the next part, which is previous US travel. Next, previous US travel information. No, provide the following previous US travel information. Provide complete and accurate information to all questions that require an explanation. Have you ever been in the US? If yes, click yes. If no, you click no. Sa akin, no. Pero pag halimbawa, nakapunta na kayo doon, you can click her yes. And then, i-provide nyo lang yung date na pumunta kayo doon, date arrive, at saka length of stay or hanggang kailan kayo nagstay doon. At saka, did you ever hold a US driver's license? Click yes if yes, click no if no. But since na ako is first time na ako nagpupunta doon, I click no for this. Because this is my first time to apply to this visa, which is tourist visa. So I click no. Have you ever been issued a US visa? If yes, click yes. But if no, click no. Dahil first time ako na mag-apply ng US tourist visa. Next, have you ever been refused a US visa or been refused admission to the US or withdrawn your application for admission at the port of entry? No. Has anyone ever filed an immigrant petition on your behalf with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services? No. Tapos, next, address and phone. Address and phone information. Home address. Yung address ko dito sa Pinas. So, example, ilagay ko dito, katulad kanina, barangay, Villa, tapos yung city, Iloilo, state of province, Iloilo din. Yung postal zone ko is 5001. Tapos yung country or region ko is Philippines. Letter T. Tapos, yung mailing address, is your mailing address the same as your home address? Yes. If no, you'll click no. And then, yung phone number ko, ilagay ko dito, yung primary phone number ko, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos, yung secondary phone number ko. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pero pag wala kayong secondary phone number, you click does not apply. Pero since isa lang yung phone number ko, I click this one, the primary phone number. Next is work phone number. Ilagay niyo dito yung work phone number niyo, for example, 534766890. Pero pag wala, click does not apply. Have you used any other phone number in the last 5 years? Click yes if yes. Click no if no. For example, I have one, so I will gonna add her additional phone number for the last 5 years. For example, 07895674 3. At yung email address ko, ilagay ko dito, Maria Villa Cruz@gmail.com. Have you used any other email address in the last 5 years? Click yes if yes, and click no if no. Pero kung mag-click yes ka, ilagay mo dito yung email address for the last 5 years, pero pag wala, just click no. Next, social media. Social media provider or platform. For example, yung Facebook nyo, tapos ilagay nyo dito sa social media identifier, yung Facebook, for example.
Put the link of your Facebook account on social media identifier.
Example, pag meron kayong ibang social media platform, click add another. And then, select lang nyo, for example, if meron kayong YouTube channel, you click her, and then you
Put the link of your YouTube channel on social media identifier.
pero pag wala, you can click remove or don't add anything. Next, do you wish to provide information about your presence on any other websites or applications you have used within the last 5 years to create or share content, photos, videos, status, updates, etc.? Click no. And then, click next, passport. Hi guys! Kanina may customer ako kaya hindi ko na tapos yung application natin. Pero ngayon, itutuloy na natin ang pag-fill up. So, paano gawin yun? Pumunta lang tayo ulit dito sa website na ceac.state.gov/Geneve. Tapos, select nyo lang dito yung Philippines, kagaya kanina, Philippines, Manila. Letter P. At i-enter nyo lang yung code sa baba. Okay. W 4 D 4 for S. KW for B for S. Tapos, click nyo lang yung retrieve an application. Tapos, meron ditong application ID natin kanina. So, ang application ID is AA00 D1 tapos MB PV AA00 D1 MB PV. Click retrieve application. Ano yung security question kanina? Yung first 5 letters natin kanina is De La Cruz. So, De La Cruz. Bilang lang. Tapos yung year of birth natin kanina is 1995. Mari. Click retrieve application. So, ito na siya. Tapos, yung kanina, doon na tayo sa ibaba. Click next passport. Tapos, select passport or travel document, regular, yung passport number natin ilagay dito, P7, halimbawa, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos yung passport book number, click this na apply. Yung country or authority that issued passport or travel document, first Philippines, where was the passport or travel document issue, yung city. For example, Iloilo, yung state or province. Of course, Iloilo rin siya. Tapos yung country of region, Philippines. Yung issue one state. Example, 10 June 2023. Yung expiration date niya is 11 June 2033. Tapos, have you ever lost a passport or had one stolen? No. And then, click next US contact. US point of contact information. For example, kung meron tayo doon nakakilala or kapatid or kapamilya doon, lagay nyo dito. For example, yung kapatid ko, yung pangalan niya ay De La Cruz Marie. Tapos yung organization name niya, do not know. Yung relationship namin ay father. At yung address niya doon sa US, for example, 1212 Sesame Street, US Street address, line number to, optional lang naman sa siya, kaya hindi ko nilagyan, blank lang ko. Yung city is Berlin, yung state is letter I, Illinois, tapos yung zip code niya 60623, tapos yung phone number niya halimbawa 123456789. Yung email address niya ay maridelacruz@gmail.com. Tapos Tapos, click next. Family. Family information, relatives. Yung full name ng father ko, for example, Bella Cruz. Given name, Juan. Date of birth, 13 May 1961. Is your father in the US? No. Yung full name ng mother ko, halimbawa, Hila Cruz. Given name, Lita. Date of birth, 5 February 1958. Tapos, is your mother in the US? No. Do you have any immediate relatives not including parents in the US? Click yes. If yes, then kung wala, click no lang tayo. Pero dahil meron ako doon kapatid, click yes lang ako dito. At saka filapan ko ito. For example, De La Cruz. Marie. Relationship to you. Sibling. Relative status. Non-immigrant. Anong kapatid ko doon? Kasi nag-internship lang siya doon. Kaya non-immigrant. Tapos, click next. Work or education or training. Tapos, yung primary occupation natin ngayon, for example, may business ako, click business. Tapos, yung street address, yung present employer or school name, lagay ko dito, for example, yung pangalan ng business. Example, De La Cruz Hardware. Yung street address, Barangay Villa. Yung street address line ko, optional lang siya. Yung city, Iloilo. Tapos yung state or province, Iloilo din. Yung postal code, 5001, Libao. Tapos yung phone number ng business ay 987654320. Yung country or region, Philippines. Kailan ako nag-start doon mag-business? For example, 7 May 2020, halimbawa. Tapos yung monthly income in local currency if employed. For example, yung total income ko per month, for example, is 38,000. Tapos, ilagay nyo dito yung briefly describe your duties. For example, I am the owner of De La Cruz Hardware. Tapos, click next. Work or education previously. Were you previously employed? Click yes if yes, then click no if no. Have you attended any educational institution at the secondary level or above? Yes. Tapos ilagay nyo lang dito yung pangalan ng school before. For example, Northern Iloilo University. Yung address niya, Poblacion Zone 2, City, Iloilo. state or province, Iloilo. Postal zone 5001, country origin Philippines. Yung course of study ko noon is Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Date of attendance, halimbawa, 5 June 2012. Tapos yung nag-graduate ako, halimbawa, 7 April 2016. Tapos, pag meron kayong ibang school na inattendan noon, just click add another. If wala, just don't click anything. And then, click next, work or education. Addition. Next, additional work or education training information. Do you belong to a clan or tribe? No. Provide a list of languages you speak. Example, ako, yung aming, of course, yung ating national language ay Tagalog, tapos kami ay Ilongga. Sa Iloilo kami, yung aming lingwahe ay Hiligay nun. Marunong din tayo mag-English. Tapos, nilagay ko dito na language na alam ko ay Tagalog, Hiligay nun, at saka yung English. Have you traveled to any countries or regions within the last 5 years? Click yes if yes. Dahil ako wala, I click no. Have you belonged to, contributed to, or worked for any professional, social, or charitable organization? No. Do you have any specialized skills or training such as firearms, explosives, nuclear, biological, or chemical experience? No. Next, have you ever served in the military? No. Have you ever served in, been a member of, or been involved with a paramilitary unit, vigilante unit, rebel group, guerrilla group, or insurgent organization? No. Next, click security and background. Security and background part 1. Provide the following security and background information. Provide complete and accurate information to all questions that require an explanation. A visa may not be issued to persons who are within specific categories defined by law as inadmissible to the U.S. Question. Do you have a communicable disease? No. Do you have a mental or physical disorder? No. Are you or have you ever been a drug abuser addict? No. Next, security or background, part 2. Mostly yung mga answer dito lahat should be no kasi tourist tayo para makabisit tayo sa US. Have you ever been arrested or convicted? No. Have you ever violated? No. Are you coming to the US to engage in prostitution or unlawful commercialize? No. Have you ever been involved in or do you seek to engage in money laundering? No. Have you ever committed or conspired to commit a human trafficking? No. Have you ever knowingly aided, abetted, assisted, or colluded? No. Are you the spouse, son, or daughter of an individual who has committed or conspired to commit a human trafficking? No. Next, click security or background part 3. Do you seek to engage in espionage, sabotage? No. Engage in terrorists? No. Have you ever or do you intend to provide financial assistance or support to terrorists? No. Are you a member of or representative of a terrorist? No. Are you the spouse, son, or daughter of an individual who has engaged in terrorist activity? No. Have you ever ordered, incited, committed, assisted, or otherwise participated in genocide? No. Have you ever committed, ordered, incited, assisted, or otherwise partaken in torture? No. Click no lahat dito. No lahat. Tapos, next, click security or background part 4. No, tsaka no pa rin dito. Then, click next, part 5, security and background. No, no, no. Click next for photo. So, dito guys, i-upload nyo yung 2x2 pic to USB sa nyo dito, which is soft copy. Hello guys, so ito yung picture natin at pumasok siya sa photo quality standards result. Kaya i-click na natin yung continue using this photo. And then we click her next review. Changes you made may not be saved. Click leave. And then this were for review, meaning you should review every details that you put here, all the information. Dapat tama yung mga nilagay nyo dito, yung mga detalye, kasi napaka-importante na tama yung nilagay nyo na detalye dito. So this is 160 and be careful kayo, kasi dapat tayo maging honest sa pag-fill-up ito. Kasi malalaman din ng console kung ano ito. And then, click next for travel details. Check nyo lang kung inyong mga details dito. Pag tama, click next US contact. Double check nyo kung tama, and then click next for family. And then double check din dito kung tama, and then click next work or education training. And then check nyo kung tama lahat ng mga detalye nyo dito. Tapos next, security and background. Check nyo yung mga tama dito. Tapos double check nyo. Pag okay na, next location. Tapos, next, sign and submit. Tapos, scroll down nyo lang. Tsaka, meron tayo dito. Pila pa na preparer of application. Did anyone assist you in filing out this application? Click no. Because DIY lang tayo dito. Tapos, yung e-signature dito, ay ilagay nyo lang yung passport ng travel document nyo or yung passport number nyo. For example, P7098764. Tapos yung code na nasa right side, copy nyo lang. PZRRB. Pagkatapos, click nyo yung sign and submit application, which is ito. Pagtapos na tayo mag-fill up ng ating PS160, check lang natin yung ating Gmail at makikita natin yung PS160. At tsaka i-print natin ito sa A4 size naman paper. Dahil ito ay one of the requirements na ating i-bring sa oras ng ating appointment ng interview doon sa USMS Manila. At salamat sa nag-watch ng video na to. God bless.